Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Bitmart to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your ETH securely in no time. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay updated on best practices to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with some Ethereum in it, and your Ledger Nano X device should be fully configured and connected to your computer or via the Ledger Live app. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. It's a simple step that can prevent a lot of headaches. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your email and password, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Security is key in crypto, so don't skip this. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select Ethereum from your list of holdings. Then, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Step 3. Now, on your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app. This will generate your wallet address. Carefully copy this address, never type it manually to avoid errors. Paste it into the Withdrawal Address field on Bitmart. Also, enter the amount of ETH you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, which are usually around 0.01 ETH plus network fees. Step 4. Review everything on the screen. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. Bitmart might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, hit Withdraw, and wait for the transaction to process. On the Ethereum network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use the official Ledger Live app to verify transactions and keep an eye out for any phishing attempts. Remember, if something seems off, don't proceed. Better safe than sorry. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Ethereum to your Ledger Nano X. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.